Hello students. In my last video, I've discussed about CAIE 5054 ATP paper. I've discussed the mass scheme, timing of paper, and syllabus and questions which we will read. Now I'm going to discuss. In last video, I've discussed about these chapters. Uh, you can see electricity and electronics, related question. This is question number 1. Question 2, light, reflection from glass prism. Third, thermal and temperature based question. And fourth, experimental measurements. Now I'm going to discuss some other details about this ATP. Now you can see in this paper you will do some construction work. You will first, construction work is about plotting of graph. You will draw graph according to given x and y components value, coordinates value, and in this graph you will make a best fit line curve, best fit line or best fit line curve. Now what is best fit line? It means that you will estimate an accurate graph, and in graph if you have 5 different values, so it is not necessary you will make all line together. No, you will draw a estimated line, and you can left, if you can leave one point from the estimated line above, so you will leave the next point from the estimated line below. So you will make an average line. This is called best fit line. Or similarly, you will draw a best fit curve. And sometime in your plotting graph, you have to calculate a gradient or slope. And what is gradient? You know very well. You will take any two values on y-axis, and this is called change on y components, y coordinates. This is called del y, and divide by any two values on of x-axis, means x1 x2, so you will take the difference x2 minus x1. This is called del x. So changes occur on y-axis divided by changes occur on x-axis, and this is called gradient or slope. Gradient or slope means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now in plotting graph, you will have 10 or 12 marks of this graph. So this question, this graph is very important, and you must practice of different past papers graph, and it is compulsory for this question, this paper. So you will do practice of plotting graph. It is necessary, and you will do 10 or 12 marks. It is necessary. Now next is construction. Next working you will do in paper, construction. In construction you will draw first, I am talking about reflection. So reflection occurs from mirror. So in mirror you will draw a ray diagram of mirror. In ray diagram of mirror you must know about incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray. So some questions you have to draw incident ray, normal ray, and reflected ray. Now next is refraction. Refraction means we will discuss 3 things: glass slab, prism, and lens. Refraction occurs from 3 component, 3 I will say three components, equipments: glass slab, prism, and lens. So in refraction glass slab, we will draw normal, reflected ray, and refracted ray. You will draw ray diagram from glass slab, in which you will draw refracted ray, normal, and emergent ray. In glass slab, you will draw these three lines: normal, refracted ray, and emergent ray. And in a prism, you will draw normal, refracted ray, emergent ray, and also you will draw angle of deviation, critical angle in prism. And also you have to find out angle of deviation from prism. And very important calculation is refractive index. So refractive index, you have to practice refractive index, how you will calculate refractive index from glass slab and prism. And in lens, you will draw and calculate measure value of object distance, image distance, and principal focus. You will do this work in prism. Now next construction is about electrical circuit. In electricity, you will know about circuit symbol and power supply symbol, switch, voltmeter, ammeter, and variable resistor. You must know all these symbol, fuse, and in this symbols you will draw a circuit diagram. So in next construction work is about circuit diagram. You will draw switch, voltmeter, ammeter, variable resistor, and you must know crocodile clips. Crocodile clips is basically used to attach the contact. When you join these crocodile clips, you can make a connection, and you can remove this crocodile clips, so connection will be disconnect. So crocodile clips is variable. It is used as a variable. You can connect or disconnect. It is not permanent. So crocodile clips are used for temporary connection. And connecting leads, fixed resistor. And fixed resistor, you will know how to connect fixed resistor in series and fixed resistor in parallel. So you will read about fixed resistor and parallel resistor. And you will read about variable resistor. Now next is calculation about equipment and tools, how to calculate different values from equipment. First you will read, for example, you will read from micrometer, how to measure values from micrometer. Similarly, how to read from voltmeter, ammeter, and then you will have V and I, voltage from voltmeter, and ammeter, A from value of current from ammeter. So we apply the formula Ohm's law, V equal to IR and I equal to V upon R. So you will do practice about these measurements. First you will read from given figures and you will apply the formula. And next you must know about how to read thermometer, and also you must know how to measure diameter of anything. You will do calculation about diameter. So diameter, you can use set square. You can take two different length L1 and L2, and you will take the difference L2 minus L1. And these lengths you can use set square. It is used in trigonometry. You can use set square, triangle form shapes. These are called set square. And also you will know about Trundle wheel, meter rule for measuring length. Meter rule you can easily use. And what is turndale wheel? Turndale wheel is basically a wheel in which a marking is placed, and when you rotate this turndale wheel, so you will make a number of cycles. For example, if you count 50, one mark is equal to 1 millimeter. So if 50, after 50 turns you will listen, or 100 turns you will listen a click sound. So you can understand this is the distance which you move. It is about 100 millimeter. So standard wheel you can study about tunnel wheel. So these construction work you must know. First, I am revising the topic. First, plotting graph. You must do practice about plotting graph. It is very necessary, and you will uh, attempt 10 or 12 question plotting graph. You will see in all papers. It is necessary part of your paper. So plotting graph is necessary. And construction work about light, in especially mirror, glass slab, prism, and lens. Next, construction about electrical components, electrical circuits. Make connection of voltmeter, how to connect voltmeter, how to connect ammeter. Make a circuit diagram of variable resistor with fixed resistor, and how to connect crocodile clips. You must know how to connect a series circuit, how you connect parallel circuit. This is you must know all these things. Next, about tools and equipments. Reading from micrometer, how you will calculate micrometer, and you can also learn vernier caliper also. Vernier caliper and micrometer measurements you must know. And voltmeter, how to measure voltage from voltmeter, how to measure ammeter, current, value of current from ammeter, and apply the formula, how you will apply Ohm's law. And thermometer, measurement of length from set square, how to measure use set square. And also tunnel wheel, meter rule. So you will first you will do practice of all these construction one. And next, in my next video, I will explain about detail of these chapters which you will study. I will discuss about these chapters: electricity and electronics, light, thermal and temperature based questions, and experimental measurements. And in last, don't forget to subscribe my channel. First you subscribe my channel, I will explain more videos about ATP. Thank you very much.